friends, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then welcome. So today I am finally filming a haul video. Before we get into this video, I just want to say give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Also, don't forget to subscribe, share me, and blow up my comments, you guys. I appreciate all the love and support. So let's get into it. I know those of you who follow me on social media, like Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, all that good stuff, have been wondering what I've been doing and why I haven't filmed this haul video. So, it's been a little over a month. I went to Chicago with my mom. We just had us a little, mother-daughter trip. It was tons of fun. I'm trying to tuck my hair. Okay. It was tons of fun, and we did some shopping. We also just recently got back from Baltimore, so that was a lot of fun. I want to do this haul and talk about my experience in Chicago. Crazy. I've never been there because it's not that far, We live in Ohio, so it's about a 5-hour drive from us, not far at all. Anyways, I'm going to quit rambling on because I know you guys are really interested in seeing what I got and hearing about my experience out there. The first thing I want to say is I know that a lot of people are over Morphe or feel like it's overrated. Oops. Feel like it's overrated, blah, blah, blah. But I've never been into a Morphe store until I went to Chicago. So that was a big thing for me, a big deal for me. I honestly didn't ever think I would step foot in a Morphe store. And I know you guys are like, small dreams, Shena, small dreams. But it's not like that. It was just a wonderful experience. It was great. I cried. And I loved every second of it. So, yeah. Since I'm behind, I'm just going to show you guys. This is Pride stuff that I got. And again, if you follow me, then you've seen like the packaging and everything. So I got the Morphe Live with Love eye brush set. This is the box, which you guys know I'm a sucker for keeping packaging. So I'm probably going to keep the box to this. As a matter of fact, I know I'm going to keep the box to this. And this is the brush holder, all white with Pride colors. I did use one of the brushes while I was on vacation, but I cleaned it off and put it back in the plastic just so I could show you guys how cute are these rainbow brushes. I can't wait to film and use them because I have all this stuff I haven't used yet. I have been off my game. I'm just going to say 2020 and 2021 have not been it for me. But anyways, if you bought the brushes and the palette, then you got you got the mirror for free, which was the deal they had going on. So I'm super, super excited about this mirror because it is a bigger hand mirror and it says Live with Love, Morphe, and Pride. It's a bigger hand mirror than this little black one that I've been using from AOA. I love this thing, but it'll be nice to do my makeup with this guy. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put it out because I'm gonna be filming some videos. That's my motivation right there. You want to use that mirror, Shena? Film your videos. Stop being depressed and down. So I did get the new Morphe Live with Love Artistry palette. It is the 25L Volume 2. If you guys have been watching me for a while, you guys know that I did get the one a few years ago, before the pandemic and all that happened. I did get that one. So here's this one. And I just want to say that the formula, because I have dipped into it, I have swatched it, I have put some of the colors on my eyes because there was no way I could be in Chicago in June during Pride Month and not use this palette. So I just want you guys to see, look at these colors. How gorgeous is that? So I know I'm behind and Pride Month is over, but that every day is Pride for me, okay? I live my life in color. So I will definitely use it and film a video for you guys. I also ended up going back to the Morphe store the next day because I had to get this. I seen Suva Beauty came out with, it's called We Make Rainbows Jealous. And this is their 6 UV activated shades. Look at that. How could I not get that? And you guys know I love liners, and I've never tried their water activated liners. I've been wanting to, but this honestly was perfect, especially since graphic eyeliner is becoming even more of a trend. I don't want to say like becoming a trend because it's been around, but if you guys notice, people are becoming more daring, not just makeup artists, just trying to figure out how to explain this. Your everyday average person getting up and doing their makeup have been becoming more daring and doing graphic eyeliner. So today I do have some weird, fun, spunky graphic eyeliner with like the double wing situation happening. I had fun with it. I have a video coming showing how I did my dramatic black liner while I was in Baltimore with my mom. I was channeling my inner queen, and so I have a request for that. And I also have a request on how I do my lips. My lips are already full, but they do tend to look a little fuller once I get my makeup on. So anyways, moving on, I went to their, what is this? Forever 21. And I was impressed because our Forever 21 out here doesn't carry, they carry makeup, but it's like the Forever 21 makeup or whatever line that is. They don't carry all of the higher end lines like House of Lashes. I got their black lash glue, which I already took it out the box because I put it in my client kit for when I do freelance makeup. That's what I bought it for. I also got this Sugar Pill matte liquid lipstick called Anti-Social. I'm going to swatch it for you guys because it is a beautiful shade, and it was the one shade I didn't have. And for me, I have to order Sugar Pill online, so it was nice to see that they carried it in store. Look at that shade. Tell me I'm not ready for fall with that color. Beautiful. I also got Glam Light S'mores lip gloss, which I cannot wait to use. So it looks like this. Look at that. Beautiful color, right? And it smells like s'mores. It smells delicious. I also stopped at a vending machine that had lashes in it, and I would love to get my lash line in a vending machine. Yes, if you guys didn't know, I released my lash line. I went live and posted the video as well, so that is up. Be sure to check it out. I'm also going to be doing a giveaway, so stick around, and that's going to be celebrating the release of my lash line. So anyways, the vending machine had lashes in it, and I think it's Benar Blinks. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that. Benar Blinks. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly, but they are on Instagram and Facebook, and these are what the lashes look like. How pretty are these? Like, this is total Malibu Barbie vibe, but they're 100% premium mink lashes, and the name is Grace that I got. Let me show you guys those one more time. So I can't wait to try these out, of course. I went to Sephora and I got the Becca Ultimate Coverage Longwear Concealer in the shade Cedar. It's just concealer, you guys. I got it because I don't know if a lot of you guys know or heard. I'm sure you have at this point if you follow beauty, that Becca Cosmetics didn't survive the pandemic, and they will be going out of business, which is really sad. So we also went to Marshall's, where I got the rest of my items. And yes, I'm keeping the Morphe bag because, oh my goodness. If I can remember, I will put together like a little video collage. Actually, I'll probably do it in my shorts, but follow me on TikTok because I kept up with the trip in Chicago and the trip in Baltimore, so you guys can kind of follow me on my journey and like see how much fun I had. But anyways, we went to Marshall's and I did get some Stila liquid glitter eyeshadows. One is Molten Midnight and the other one is Yellow Tails. I have some of these already, but they do dry out, and when I first got them, I was using them like crazy. So they look like this, and normally they're 21 bucks for one. So if you can find them at like TJ Maxx or Marshall's, score for you, because they're only about $5.99 there. I also got 2 Sigma brushes. My mom found these for me. I got the E48 pointed crease, and you guys know I love Sigma brushes. And I got this Acute highlighter F56. I will take them out the packaging because I'm going to put them in my container. So that one looks like that. And then the pointed crease. Now, Sigma brushes, you guys know, are very, very expensive, but high quality and very worth it. I love their brushes. I mean, my brush container at this point is starting to be all Sigma brushes. I do still have some Morphe brushes, but I'm working my way up there for them to just all be Sigma brushes because I cannot live without these. I love them. I don't know if I'll use this for a pointed crease brush. This is huge for your crease. Oh, this is like a highlight brush for your girl. But either way, I love it. And my mom also found this Zoeva 227V Soft Definer. This is a vegan eyeshadow brush. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of Zoeva, but I do love their products. And I've been wanting to try. Woo, this is soft. Look at these bristles. I've been wanting to try their brushes, so pumped about that. Okay. So we also went to some hair stores, and I got lashes. These wispies. Those are beautiful. 218s. You guys know I love my lashes. I got 2 pairs of 747 longs. I got these free when we went to one of the hair stores. I did get some hair. Thank you, Mama D. Don't forget to check out her channel, D's Delicious Bites, and her other channel is D's Cute and Crafty if you're into crafts. And then 118 Glamour Lashes. While in Baltimore, I did get Kiss, the new day-to-day lash, My Lash But Better. So I got So Real and Blessed. And then I got So Wispy Full Bouncy Volume Curl Lashes in 01. Because, like I said, I can't live without my lashes. So, yeah, you guys, that is it for this haul video. I have a lot of makeup outside of just this haul video to review for you guys. I'm going to get on that. I'm going to be busy. I also seen that it looks like a lot of people miss Makeup Monday. If that's the case, leave me a comment. Let me know if you want me to start back up Makeup Monday. And if you do, what eyeshadow palette would you be interested in seeing me use for my Makeup Monday series? If you've never seen Makeup Monday, make sure you play that playlist and watch it. Let me know what you think. You guys, it felt good to sit down and film. I'm gonna be honest, it felt really good, and I feel like I'm back in my groove, and I am inspired and refreshed. These 2 trips with my mom, which thank you again, shout out to my mom for taking me on these trips with her, and the trip to Baltimore. Shout out to all the wonderful ladies that I met. You guys truly inspired me, and I had a blast. So thank you all again. Thank you guys for watching this video. I appreciate it. And for those of you who have stuck with me through it all, even on my hiatus of YouTube, I want to thank you so, so much. Anyways, I'm done talking your ears off. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and blow up my comments, y'all. I love seeing comments from you guys. Also, don't forget to put a smile on your face because it is truly the best makeup you can wear. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.